let's see how to edit shells in CYPE 3D. To do this, we open the Shells menu at the top of the interface. First of all, Describe section allows us to edit the geometry of a group of shells. We select the shells we wish to edit with the left mouse button or use the crossing method, and then confirm our selection with the right mouse button. In the pop-up window, we modify the thickness of the shell in the selected units of measurement and specify the subgrade modulus in the local z-axis data if desired. To apply these changes, we click on Accept. Using the next option, Describe Disposition, we adjust the position of the shells with respect to their defining plane. Again, we must select the shells with the left mouse button and then confirm with the right mouse button. In the Position section of the pop-up window, we click on any of the crosses in the viewer to position the shell with respect to its defining plane. At the bottom, we can add a displacement in the central plane by typing in its value. We apply the changes by clicking on Accept. The shells are discretized using a triangle mesh. From Discretization, we edit the parameters to configure the discretization of a group of shells. After selecting the shells and confirming with the right mouse button, we type in the maximum size of the sides of a triangle in the pop-up window. The smaller this value is, the higher the mesh density will be, which will also increase the analysis times and the accuracy of the analysis. If we wish to reverse the direction of the z-axis of the shells, we select the corresponding option and then a group of shells using the left mouse button. If we right-click the mouse, the direction of the local z-axis of the selected shells will be reversed. Further on, using Define the direction of the x-axis, we can modify the direction of the local x-axis of a shell. To do this, we select the edge of the shell that will be used to define the direction of the local x-axis with the left mouse button. We confirm the operation with the right mouse button. Using Edit Direction of the local axes, we edit the angle formed by the local axes of a group of shells with respect to the orientation predefined by the edge that determines the direction of the local x-axis. To do this, once the shells have been selected, we click on the right mouse button. In the pop-up window, we type in the value of the indicated angle. Lastly, with Describe Material, we edit the material of a group of shells. In the same way, we select the shells with the left mouse button and right-click to confirm our selection. In the window that appears, we choose the material we wish to apply to the shells from those available. Finally, we click Accept.